大家好，我名係thatbreydude，同埋今日我有一個 surprise 俾你。今日係咪我？
Supposed to be like, speaking in English.
What is up, guys? It's me, thatbreydude, and today I'm gonna show you guys a little something by Gaming Freak. So, Gaming Freak decided to give me this little guy for a little test out. So, let's get into this. Chanter Vocal, very interesting microphone as compared to a lot of microphones that exist everywhere around in the gaming market. We mostly get condensed microphone. So this is the very first time I've kind of like encountered a karaoke portable style of microphone. So let's get into the specification onto this little baby. So the capsule is about 14mm condenser. Dang. Then sensitivity is -35 to 3 dB. Frequency response about 10 Hz to 20 kHz. Polar pattern is cardioid. Reference voltage is plus 1.5 voltage. Battery capacity is 400 amps, 5 hours using fully charged, and charging time is about 4 hours. Let's give this baby a little go, a little spin, and let's open her up. Alright, gonna lay it on the side way because as you can see, it opens on the side here. It's an unboxing therapy. Let's open up here. Little menu script going on. That's cool. Little USB port in here. Ooh, there's extra gadgets in here. Ooh, little mic stand going on. A little mini tripod. Oh my god. Ooh, it's pretty heavy. I'm gonna get a little busy assembling this and putting it on stream. So let's just see the difference using this and the mic I've been using a while.
So it's been a very long day, and here I am all the way in Putrajaya, and I'm actually recording using my webcam and my webcam's microphone. Oh my god, I can't even speak anymore because I'm so tired. So this is the sound of my usual stream microphone. And I know it's not the greatest, but I got something else to show you. So, are you ready?
So Bree, how's your new mic?
That depends on how close you want to hear me.
Yeah.
Or how close it can be.
Murder! 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 Murder!
Sorry, I can't actually make that much noise. It's like my
Oh.
sister.
She has a new microphone, so she's making all the noise she can.
A little giveaway time! Giveaway, hell yeah! I'll be doing a little giveaway on my Instagram, so if you really want a gaming peripheral from Gaming Freak itself, all you gotta do is follow my Instagram, datbreydude. So follow me on Instagram for the questionnaires, and I'll be announcing the winner there as well. And aside that, could you do me a very big favor? Like just one favor, that's pretty big actually. So follow and basically like Gaming Freak Malaysia's page on Facebook. And if you want to see more content of me having the most horrible gameplays of any game, and also just shit talking with my friends, follow me on Twitch and also my Facebook, which is thatbreydude, and additional content would be more onto my social media, which is basically Instagram. So if you guys really want to win stuff, Instagram it is. So don't forget that. I'll see you guys very soon. Bye bye!